seat. Braylon, where are the wheels? Where are the wheels? Where are they? I can't see them. Show me where they are. There they are. Yeah. Is that your school bus? Bus. Yeah, bus. There we go. Do a little dancing. You gonna read a truck book? You wanna read about trucks? These your big boy trucks? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Fire engine. Hey, Braylon, where's your bench? Where's your new bench? Is it behind you? Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye.